This is fine one combo machine for physiotherapy purpose. It has IFT, TENS, muscle stimulator, ultrasound and DP. So this section is for IFT, TENS and muscle stimulator, and this is ultrasound, and top one is for DP. So the components in which this machine consists of: one power cord, one strap, one kit bag, lead wires, pads, one ultrasound head, two DP pads. So total combo of 5 in 1. These are the components which it has. So totally the IFT, TENS and muscle stimulator, it consists of 125 prefixed programs, in which IFT 70 programs, TENS 30 program and muscle stimulator. So now I will show what are the plugins available in this. This plugin is for the power cord. The first switch is used for IFT, TENS and muscle stimulator, and second switch is for ultrasound. These leads is for IFT. This two is for DP pads, and this plug is for ultrasound. So now I will demonstrate how it will work. So now I am plugging in the power cord and turn on the first switch for IFT, TENS and muscle stimulator. A long beep sound comes when the machine is fully on. So now I am going to plug in the leads, two positive and two negative leads. So now I will show how these keys works. So the keys for this is right, left, moving keys, and increasing and decreasing lead keys. And this is the start and stop program button. So now for moving right side, so the right button is used for the cursor, right cursor is used for moving right side. For coming back, so this left arrow key is used. So now it is in the manual mode. So in manual, the IFT program I have set. Now I have kept the T is for time. Now I am keeping the time, what is the duration I require. And next is frequency range. What is the scan frequency range do you require? There are 5 frequency range inbuilt in this. So 25 to 150, 0 to 150, 50 to 100 Hz, 25 to 100, 0 to 50, and continuous for 0 to 50. Now I kept for 75 to 150 Hz. The two things which can be set in the manual mode is time and the frequency range. After that, I am going to start the program. Now I will demonstrate how it works. So I am starting the program. Now while starting the program, single lead shock will be seen. After that, when I started the program, the intensity knob directly comes. Now I am increasing the intensity. Now I am able to feel the frequency. So now I have kept 7. In 7 itself I am able to get a better intensity. So in between, if I want to stop, if any discomfort is there, I have to press the stop button. A long beep sound will be produced. When a long beep sound is produced, then the circuit stops. After that, we can off the switching. If in between you can't directly off this button. When you off this, the program gets error, and we have to give a 2 minutes time for resetting the circuit. In this, if now I want to change, I want to use tens. So I will move to the program in the center one. This is the program. The cursor has moved. So in this, I am going to change it as to tens. Now I have selected the tens. In tens, whatever the time, whichever I require. So I am keeping now it as 7 minutes. After keeping in the 7 minutes, there is a mode selector. Whatever the mode you require, we can select this. Burst, medium, like this, deep, burst, deep, and continuous. There are about 6 modes in this. We can select this mode and directly we can start the program. So I am going to again demonstrate this. So I have kept the time and I have kept the mode whichever I require. Then I am going to click the start button. I have started. The time is running. The frequency, base frequency has been started. The intensity now, the cursor has come to the intensity. Now I am going to increase the intensity. Now the manual tens has been started with continuous frequency of current with intensity of 7 and the time is running and the break frequency is being set. So now I am getting the current of this is the mode which we can check the machine working whether normally or not. So in between, if I want to stop, I will directly stop the button. If the program automatically ends, it will give a beep sound and it will end. Directly we can switch it off the switches. In between, if you want, we should press stop button and we should off the switch. Or we can decrease intensity according to your needs. In this, next we are going to see about muscle simulator. Now it is in tens. Now I have changed the program manual variant, manual type, muscle simulator, and I am going to fix the time whatever required. And in this there are again 6 type of modes which is available: intermediate galvanic pulse, surge Faradic long, intermediate galvanic, and intermediate galvanic pulse. Like this, the modes are there. We can select whatever the mode we want, and we have set the time as well as the mode which we require. And again I will demonstrate how it works. So I am pressing the start button. When I started the start button, the time started running. The base frequency started running, and the intensity cursor came to the intensity 1. So now I am going to increase the intensity. So the intermediate galvanic current it is coming. So now I will increase the intensity. So I am getting intermittent of current. You can see my stimulation of muscle. So you can see my pointing finger is being flickered. You can see my thumb is also moving when the intermediate galvanic current is passed. You can see the flickering directly. If I want to stop the program in between, I will press the stop button and we can stop the program in between. This is about the manual usage of tens, IFT and muscle stimulator in this manual variant. If there are 70 IFT programs, 30 tens program and 25 muscle stimulator program in this. Total about 125 programs are prefixed, preloaded in this system. If you are going to use for preloaded system, we have to wait for every response. You have to press the button. Every single press should be completed equally. The continuous pressing of a button will not be advised. The life usage of buttons will be going on because these types of machine are coming nowadays with the feather touch type. So the press should be completely completed. Each press should be completely completed so that the program changing or the process will be working properly. So now I am giving a complete press for each and every increasing or decreasing the program. Now I am going to show you how to use the preloaded programs in IFT. In preloaded programs, the cursor is in the manual one. When the cursor is in the manual, I am going to select the program or intensity up arrow for increasing the program. 1, 2. So according to this, the brachial pain, the condition comes. The condition comes when I press the button. These are the prefixed program: cervical, bronchial pain, contraction pain. So these are the conditions which are pre-loaded in this machine. So while I am pressing the up arrow, so the program change. If I want to back the program, so the down arrow which can be pressed for decreasing the program. So in the program wise, only the thing is we can select the program. We can T is for time, and we can select the time, and directly the program should be started. When it is being started, the base frequency is being running. The intensity cursor has come to the intensity automatically when I started. So now I will again test the machine. I am going to test. So I am going to increase the intensity. So now I am getting the intensity as according to this program. So in between, if you want, we will stop this machine. A long beep sound should be come when the system is off. So this is about the IFT. So the TENS program, it starts from 71 to 100. So rather than pressing the program button for 70 times, I can move to this program option. I am selecting the TENS. I am coming back to the program numbers. When I selected the TENS and came back from 71, automatically the TENS program will continue. For each press, the finger should be kept clearly and pressed equal amount of pressure throughout the button. The side pressing is not advisable. The direct press should be there for life usage of this button. So I have set the TENS program as 90. Now I can change the time only in this system. So after that, direct start is we have to press. And if you want to stop, we will stop. When we have to wait till the long buzzer sounds for each and everything. When the buzzer is, the sound is here, we can directly off this. So now as I said for TENS also IFT, the same is for muscle stimulator also. From we have to go to the center program one. We have to change the muscle stimulator and we have to come back. In muscle stimulator, there are it starts from 101. So according to the program, we can set the program whatever required, whether low skin sensitivity or muscle stimulation, whatever we want, we can fix and we can directly stop. And then when we start, the intensity cursor comes to the intensity point and we can increase the intensity. This is about IFT TENS muscle stimulator of manual as well as preloaded programs of 125, how to use this. Now I am going to demonstrate about the ultrasound. So the second switch is for ultrasound. Now I turned on the ultrasound switch. The same plug is for ultrasound also. So now I am going to plug in the ultrasound head. So there is a groove. The groove should be properly seen and it should be plugged in. After plugging in, a screw will be there. We have to tighten. So in this, the ultrasound head. So this is the head. This is the timer section. In timer section, there are two arrows. The up arrow is for increasing the time. The down arrow is for decreasing the time. So when you want to increase the time, when we want to set the time, we can set this, and we want to decrease the time, we can decrease this. This is the mode selector: continuous, pulsed, 1:4, 1:7, 2, continuous, and 1:1. So these are the mode which is available, and the frequency of from 0 to 3.5 Hz this is having in the machine. So now I will demonstrate with an water testing for this. So I have added drop of water in this. Now I am going to increase the intensity. You can see the ultrasonic waves. The machine is working properly with a continuous mode of frequency. Now I am going to change to pulsed mode, 1:1. Now 1:4. Now 1:7. Now 2. Again continuous. So in continuous I am going to keep the frequency as till 3.5, 3. So you can easily see the water evaporation and ultrasound is passing. When the program totally the time ends, it will give a beep sound. So in that time we can decrease the intensity and off this switch. So this is about ultrasound. So this is a knob for deep heat. So when I turn on the deep heat knob, a small sound will be here, and the deep heat is on now. So this is the deep heat on and off button. In this we can select the temperature whatever required from 0 to 100 it has. So now I am going to demonstrate you about deep heats. So this is a plug for deep heat. This is the two pads. So now I am going to plug in the deep heat pads. We can use one single pad also, we can use dual also. According to your needs we can use it. And this is a knob. When if you want, there are temperatures as 0 to 100. When it is turned on, the light automatically start blinking. So when I am setting a temperature of 30 now, so when it start heating, the light will glow. When the heat is obtained, the light will cut. So when the heat is down, again automatically when the heat is down, it will automatically turn on according to the temperature what you have fixed. If you want, we can note the time according to your needs. In this machine itself, we can use the ultrasound section. So now I have turned on the ultrasound section. So in this we can set the timer. So I have set a 6 minutes. According to the 6 minutes, I have kept the temperature. When the 6 minutes ends, so we can turn on the ultrasound switch and we can turn off the deep heat pads. So this is about the 5-in-1 combo. So this is the 5-in-1 combo machine available with BrainBuds. The 4-in-1 also is the same spec, but the deep heat is not there. So this is about the 5-in-1 and 4-in-1 combo which is available in BrainBuds. You can reach and contact us simultaneously. We can use IFT as well as ultrasound as well as the deep heat for different patient. So if any queries if you have, you can DM us. So we are readily available on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, as well as the website will be open soon. Thank you.